All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verb. So keep out. Keep out. When you cannot enter. No. You cannot keep me out. You need to keep out of the kitchen. Yeah. You cannot keep her out of the office. Yeah, office. You can't keep her out of the office. No way. How are you going to keep out the birds? Why do you keep out the insects? Yeah, why? I think you better keep them out of the house. Yeah. For example, those things. Keep them out of the house. Yeah. They always kept them out. We should have kept them out in the garden. They make a lot of mess. Look, we should have kept them out of the house, outside, outdoors. We're keeping it out with some simple things. Yeah. By using some simple techniques, we're keeping it out of the anything out of the garden. Yeah, out of the where the food is growing. Yeah, keeping out of the garden, the soil where the food is. Yeah. They should be kept out all the time, kept outside all the time. You cannot. You could not be kept outside for long. It should not be kept out of the fridge for too long. No, it shouldn't be. Yeah, so keep out. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use keep out in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. When you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.